Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to redefine how we create, interact, and express ourselves. Among its many breakthroughs, AI-powered image generators have emerged as a revolutionary force, transforming art, design, and visual storytelling. In 2025, the advancements in AI image generation have reached unprecedented levels, offering tools that cater to both professionals and hobbyists. Let's delve into the top AI image generators of this year, exploring their features, strengths, and how they're shaping the future of visual creation. 1. DAL. 3. By OpenAI. OpenAI's DAL. 3 has built upon its predecessors to deliver astonishingly realistic and imaginative images. Renowned for its ability to understand complex prompts and create images with intricate details, DAL E3 stands out in the AI landscape. Key features: enhanced understanding of context. DAL 3 can interpret nuanced and layered prompts, ensuring outputs match the user's intent with higher precision. Seamless integration. The tool integrates effortlessly with platforms like ChatGPT, allowing users to refine their prompts conversationally. High-resolution outputs. Images generated are of professional quality, suitable for prints, advertisements, and digital campaigns. Style adaptability. Users can request images in specific artistic styles, from hyper-realistic to abstract, and DAL E3 delivers with remarkable accuracy. Applications. From creating storybook illustrations to designing marketing campaigns, DAL E3 caters to a broad audience, making it a go-to tool for creatives worldwide. 2. Midjourney V6. Midjourney continues to hold its ground as a favorite among artists and designers. Its 6th version in 2025 introduces features that push the boundaries of artistic expression. Key features: photorealism. Meets imagination. Midjourney excels at producing photorealistic images while allowing for imaginative twists. Community-driven development. Feedback from a vast user base has refined its algorithms, making it more user-friendly and versatile. Interactive fine-tuning. Users can tweak details interactively, such as lighting, textures, and color palettes, for custom results. Applications. Midjourney V6 is popular among graphic designers, architects, and concept artists. Its ability to visualize scenes, products, and environments makes it invaluable in industries like gaming, film, and advertising. 3. Adobe Firefly. Adobe's Firefly AI suite has emerged as a leading tool for image generation, seamlessly integrated with its Creative Cloud ecosystem. Known for its user-friendly interface and powerful capabilities, Firefly caters to professionals who need reliability and integration. Key features: direct integration. Firefly is embedded within Adobe's flagship software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, enabling on-the-go enhancements. Text-to-image and beyond. Beyond generating images from prompts, Firefly can modify existing visuals with style transfers and scene adjustments. Focus on ethics. Adobe prioritizes copyright and content authenticity, ensuring images are ethically generated and compliant with intellectual property laws. Applications. Firefly is a powerhouse for professionals in advertising, publishing, and media, streamlining workflows and enhancing creative possibilities. 4. Runway Gen 3. Runway, known for its innovative AI tools, has introduced Gen 3, a significant leap in AI-driven image generation. This tool combines creativity with functionality, focusing on dynamic and animated content. Key features: video and image synergy. Runway Gen 3 can create high-quality still images and seamlessly transition them into animations or videos. AI-powered editing. The tool offers advanced editing features, such as background removal and object insertion, powered by AI. Collaborative tools. Gen 3 includes features for team-based projects, enabling collaboration across creative teams. Applications. Runway Gen 3 is favored in film production, advertising, and social media content creation, where dynamic visuals and animations are in high demand. 5. Artbreeder 3.0. Artbreeder, a platform for creating and evolving visual content, continues to impress with its third iteration in 2025. Known for its community-driven approach, Artbreeder empowers users to co-create and evolve art collaboratively. Key features: generative collaboration. Users can modify existing images or blend multiple images to create entirely new ones. Fine-tuned control. Sliders allow users to adjust attributes like color, texture, and facial expressions in portraits. Broad use cases. From character design to landscape art, ArtBreeder 3.0 caters to a diverse range of artistic needs. Applications. ArtBreeder is a favorite among illustrators, game developers, and writers looking to create unique visuals for their projects. 6. DeepArt AI. DeepArt AI is an advanced platform that excels in creating visually stunning images with a focus on fine art and abstract styles. It's particularly popular for its artistic interpretations of simple prompts. Key features: style transfer mastery. DeepArt AI's algorithms excel at applying artistic styles to photos or newly generated images. Art history integration. Users can request outputs inspired by specific art movements or legendary artists. High customizability. Tools for adjusting brushstrokes, textures, and depth give users control over the final output. Applications. DeepArt AI is widely used in art galleries, educational projects, and personal artistic endeavors, allowing users to merge traditional art with modern AI. How to choose the right AI image generator. With so many powerful tools available in 2025, choosing the right AI image generator can be overwhelming. The decision often depends on your specific needs, skill level, and the scope of your project. Here are some factors to consider when selecting an AI image generator. 1. Purpose and use case. Professional projects. If you're working on marketing campaigns, film production, or other high-stakes projects, tools like Adobe Firefly and Leonardo AI are tailored for professionals with industry-specific requirements. Artistic expression. For those focused on creativity and aesthetics, DeepArt AI and Midjourney V6 offer the best options for artistic and abstract outputs. Casual or social media use. If you're looking for a fun, accessible tool for social media content, consider platforms like Dream by Wombo, which specializes in generating eye-catching and imaginative visuals. 2. Ease of use. Not everyone is a seasoned designer or tech-savvy user. Tools like Designify and Adobe Firefly are known for their intuitive interfaces, making them accessible to beginners. On the other hand, open-source platforms like Stable Diffusion 3.0 may require some technical know-how, but offer unparalleled flexibility for advanced users. 3. Budget. While some tools like Runway Gen 3 and DALL-E3 come with premium features and subscription fees, others like Stable Diffusion are open source and free to use. It's essential to weigh the cost against the value you'll derive from the tool. 4. Integration with existing workflows. For professionals already using platforms like Adobe Creative Cloud, Firefly is an excellent choice due to its seamless integration. Similarly, Leonardo AI supports batch processing and workflow automation, making it ideal for large-scale projects. 5. Community and support platforms like ArtBreeder 3.0 and Stable Diffusion 3.0 benefit from strong community involvement, offering plugins, tutorials, and forums for troubleshooting and inspiration. This can be invaluable for users seeking to expand their knowledge and capabilities. Ethical considerations in AI image generation. As AI tools become more sophisticated, ethical concerns around copyright, authenticity, and misuse of generated content have come to the forefront. Developers and users alike are addressing these issues to ensure that AI-generated images are created responsibly. 1. Copyright and ownership. Tools like Adobe Firefly have taken proactive measures to ensure that their training data respects copyright laws. Firefly's Content Authenticity Initiative provides transparency, allowing users to trace the origins of generated content. 2. Avoiding misinformation. The photorealism of tools like Midjourney V6 and DALL-E. 3. Raises concerns about deepfakes and the potential spread of misinformation. Developers are implementing safeguards, such as watermarking AI-generated images, to help users distinguish between real and synthetic visuals. 3. Inclusivity in AI training. To avoid bias, AI models need diverse training datasets. Platforms like Runway Gen 3 and Leonardo AI emphasize inclusivity, ensuring their outputs are representative of a wide range of cultures, styles, and identities. 4. Environmental impact. The computational power required to train and operate AI models can have significant environmental implications. Open source initiatives like Stable Diffusion 3.0 are exploring ways to optimize algorithms for energy efficiency, reducing their carbon footprint. Tips for getting the most out of AI image generators. To make the most of these cutting-edge tools, keep the following tips in mind. 1. Master the art of prompting. AI image generators rely heavily on text prompts to produce results. Experiment with different phrases, styles, and levels of detail to fine-tune your outputs. For instance, instead of a cat, try a photorealistic image of a fluffy Persian cat lounging on a vintage armchair. 2. Leverage advanced features. Many platforms offer advanced options like style transfer, resolution adjustment, and layering. Familiarize yourself with these features to unlock the full potential of the tool. 3. Combine tools for best results. Don't limit yourself to a single platform. For example, you can use Midjourney for artistic composition, and then refine the image with Adobe Firefly for professional-grade enhancements. 4. Stay updated. AI technology evolves rapidly, with frequent updates introducing new features and improvements. Subscribe to newsletters, join forums, or follow the official blogs of your preferred tools to stay informed. 5. Experiment and innovate. AI image generators are as much about creativity as they are about functionality. Use them as a starting point to brainstorm ideas, explore uncharted styles, and challenge traditional artistic boundaries. The broader impact of AI image generators. The influence of AI image generators extends beyond the art and design world. Here are some industries and areas where these tools are making a difference. 1. Education. AI tools like DeepArt AI are being used in classrooms to teach art history and design principles. Students can experiment with different styles and learn about famous artists by generating works inspired by their techniques. 2. Healthcare. In healthcare, AI image generators assist in visualizing complex medical data, creating educational materials, and even designing soothing visuals for patient recovery environments. 3. Marketing and e-commerce. Platforms like Designify are revolutionizing how businesses create promotional materials, enabling even small startups to produce professional quality visuals without hiring expensive designers. 4. Entertainment and media film studios and game developers leverage tools like Runway Gen 3 to conceptualize characters, environments, and storyboards. AI-generated content speeds up production timelines and allows for greater experimentation. 5. Social impact. AI-generated visuals are being used to raise awareness about social issues. Nonprofit organizations utilize tools like Dream by Wumbo to create impactful campaigns that resonate with audiences. Looking ahead, what's next for AI image generators? As we look to the future, the possibilities for AI image generation are endless. Here are some trends and predictions for the coming years. Real-time collaboration. Tools will evolve to support real-time collaboration among teams, enabling designers to co-create seamlessly across continents. Voice-activated prompts. Imagine describing an image to an AI generator via voice commands, further simplifying the creative process. Immersive 3D and AR integration. AI tools will increasingly support 3D modeling and augmented reality, allowing users to create interactive and immersive visuals. Personalized AI models. Users may soon have the ability to train their own AI models, tailoring them to specific styles, preferences, or projects. Ethical AI standards. Industry-wide ethical guidelines will become more robust, ensuring that AI tools are used responsibly and inclusively. The top AI image generators of 2025 are more than just technological marvels. They are catalysts for creativity and innovation. From professionals in need of reliable tools to hobbyists exploring their artistic potential, these platforms offer something for everyone. As we continue to embrace these advancements, it's crucial to use them thoughtfully, balancing creativity with responsibility. Whether you're designing a marketing campaign, illustrating a storybook, or simply experimenting with art, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. The future of visual storytelling is here, and it's powered by AI. Please subscribe and hit the like button.